linking to other applications. We can also use the same feature with other applications. I'm going to choose Microsoft Word for my illustration. Keep in mind that you are not limited to Microsoft Word. Let's imagine that I'm doing an annual report. I need your information to roll up into my report. If you change yours, I don't want to have to concern about retyping into mine. As a result, I want it to be linked. As always, I'm going to highlight the data that I want to copy and use my preferred form of copy. This time, however, I'm going to go to another application. I have Microsoft Word open in the background, so I'm going to switch over to Word. When I'm inside of Word, one more time I'm going to go Home. I'm going to go to Paste and to Paste Special. Notice off to the side that I have the option for pasting a link. I'd also like you to see that it comes up to an HTML format. Click on OK and note the format. Notice how it comes in with the actual design that I had in the spreadsheet itself. Let's go down a couple spaces, go back to Paste Special, once again paste link, but do this while you use the worksheet object and click OK. Notice when I use the worksheet object that in this concept, it comes in with the grid lines themselves. The HTML looks more like a picture. It does not have any of the grid lines. When I use the worksheet object, it has the grid lines in the background. You'll notice also there's a bit more clarity with the HTML. Remember, however, that when you select your picture and you resize it, that clarity will develop. Now, along with bringing in the whole worksheet, I can also bring in just one individual cell. Let's say I want to recap by saying our sales are. My intent now is to put our actual total for the sales, but I would like these sales to really look as if it was part of the text that I typed in. I don't want it to look like it came from a table. To do this, I am once again going to go in the background to Microsoft Excel. This time, I'm going to take just the total number. One more time, favorite form of copy, back into Microsoft Word, again back to Paste and Paste Special. Once again, paste link. The alteration this time is I want to select unformatted text. This saying does not bring over any of the formatting that was in Excel. When I say OK, notice how it looks just like the data within the rest of the sentence. Now, as always, the data changes automatically. So back into our sales, I'll again make a dramatic change so we can really see the difference. I went down to $1 instead of hundreds of dollars. Once again back to Word. When I go into Word, notice once more the number changed. The total changed in the worksheet, but it also changed right within the paragraph. So Paste Special actually gave me quite a bit of control with the working with other applications. Think of when I'm using an HTML format did not bring in the grid lines. When I used an Excel worksheet object, it did. When I chose unformatted text, it didn't bring any type of formatting and allowed me to put it right inside of a sentence. Each of these approaches allowed me to go back to Excel, change the number on the screen, go back into Word, and see the number changed automatically within my text.